welcome to Warrick Motors Detailing, and today we are going to be organizing my chaos zone over here. This is all of my detailing supplies and it's just a mess. I need to get it in order so that there's a flow to my details, and it's got to start with this. So that is our big project for the day. So let's just get right into this organizational situation. Okay guys, I think it's pretty much done. I'll walk you through everything, kind of how I organized it. So up top is just all the tall bottles that won't fit on other shelves. So we have pump sprayer, Bolex, all-purpose cleaner, carpet cleaner, and the 303. And then I kind of did this shelf as the exterior detail shelf. So kind of an order of operations. So we have all of this. And then, let's see, then we have some interior stuff here. I don't have very many interior detailing supplies, so that will probably be in my next order. But then we have some tools on this side. And then the next shelf is all towels and pads and all that kind of stuff. So we have all the car washing mitts and drying towels, which I can't find my woolly mammoth towel or my third microfiber dryer. So I think those are in Iowa with my mom. I'm gonna have to see because I want my woolly mammoth back because that's like the best drying towel ever. But then we have applicator pads, leather cleaning supplies, window, or what are these? Waffle weave towels for window cleaning. And then we have I'm going to use yellow as like all-purpose cleaning towels, and then gray as applicator towels. I have a decent amount of pads, but if I need a towel for applicator stuff, I'll do that. And then on the final shelf, we have safety supplies, so glasses, masks, gloves, all that jazz. Then we have my knee pads, and then this is all my miscellaneous brushes. They were all over the place before, so now they're all in one location. Then we have an extra extension cord and my buckets. So that is the breakdown of my shelf. I feel so much better. Alrighty guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed watching me organize all of my detailing supplies. I feel so much better having them organized like this. I feel like we really have a flow and function to all of their placements now. So hopefully that will make detailing go a little bit smoother. Alrighty guys, that's it. I will see you in the next one. Bye!